Attention commercial drivers. College Station Ordinance prohibits large commercial vehicles and trailers from parking on city streets and alleys. This applies to any vehicle, trailer, or combination for transporting goods or people weighing over 26,001 pounds or having a combined weight of 26,001 pounds, including towed units weighing over 10,000 pounds. The ordinance includes exceptions for vehicles actively loading or unloading goods or passengers, repair or maintenance vehicles servicing nearby properties, authorized public works vehicles. For more information, contact the Public Works Department at 979-764-3690 or traffic@cstx.gov.